Alpha Dog, how to play. The object of the game is to get all the cards into your hand. Shuffle the deck, then deal it out, face down, to all the players. Some players may start with one more card than others. Pick up your cards, but do not look at them. Instead, keep your cards face down as a personal deck in your hand. The player who looks or smells most like a dog goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, flip the top card of your deck to the center of the table, on top of any other cards piled there, so everyone can see it. You must flip your cards outward so you cannot see it before other players do. Your turn then passes clockwise to the next player. Anytime the center pile shows a dog match or howl card, you can slap the center pile. These are known as slap opportunities. If you are the first player to slap the center pile with your free hand, then take the cards and add them to the bottom of your deck and start the next round by playing your top card to the center of the table. A dog match is when the center pile shows matching dog breed cards back to back or as a sandwich, which is when there is a card between two matching dog breeds. A howl card is an instant slap opportunity, where you race to slap the pile while howling up to the moon. If you slap the center pile when there is no slap opportunity, or you don't howl when you're supposed to, then your slap does not count, and you must put the top 3 cards of your deck face up under the center pile as a penalty. Flinching towards a slap is legal so long as you don't touch the cards. If a card is played on top of a slap opportunity before it is slapped, it is no longer valid and cannot be slapped. The other way to win cards is with alpha dogs. An alpha dog is any dog card with a crown symbol. When an alpha dog is played, an alpha challenge is started. The next player has up to 3 chances to play another alpha dog. If they do, then the alpha challenge passes to the next player, who now has their 3 chances to play another alpha dog, and so on. When a player fails an alpha challenge and no slap opportunity win happens along the way, then the player who last played an alpha dog wins the pile. You must maintain a quick, consistent pace while playing the game. If you stall the game or pause during your turn, then you incur a penalty and must place your top 3 cards face up under the center pile. When you run out of cards, you are eliminated from the game. Your turns are skipped and you may no longer slap piles. If your last card was an alpha and you win the alpha challenge, then you are not eliminated but keep playing. When the second to last player plays their last non-alpha card, then the game immediately ends and the remaining player collects the cards and wins.